Hi, I'm Kev Lavery, and today we're talking to you about announcements in Connect. Announcements are a great communication tool that you can use to welcome students to your unit, remind them about deadlines, and easily bring their attention to updates, changes, opportunities, or any new piece of information that you want to share with them. Announcements exist in the place that students are most likely to see when they first log in, which is what makes it such a useful place to display important information.
Global announcements are shown on the My homepage. These are traditionally for organisation-wide announcements. They may be targeted at students or teachers or both and contain important TAFE news like special events and opportunities and information about the availability of services across TAFE Queensland. Unit announcements are shown on the unit homepage. Since this is the first page that users often see when they log in to access their units, it's a good area for displaying important information. The announcements tool uses the HTML editor, so announcements aren't restricted to just text. You can easily format your text and post images, videos, links, and attachments. Let's take a moment to briefly explore some of the features of the HTML editor. The ellipses icon allows all icons to be displayed at once. The Insert Stuff icon allows you to insert multimedia objects such as files, recordings, or videos from the internet. You can also enter embed code. This is a way that you can add content hosted elsewhere on the internet. Videos from video hosting platforms, content you've made in Adobe Spark or Canva, links to collaborative content, a Google map showing directions from one place to another, or any number of other types of content that offers an embed code option that you might want to use to add more information and another level of engagement to your posts. From a copyright standpoint, using embed code is generally compliant with copyright laws, but you should check the terms and conditions of the website, or check it out with the copyright services team via a tap request. Insert Image icon allows you to insert an image from your computer, unit, or from the internet. Insert Quick Link allows you to insert a link from an area within the unit, such as a topic, discussion, or quiz. Next, there's a series of standard text formatting options such as style, alignment, font size, and color. The next series of buttons allow you to cut, copy, and paste. Finally, the Undo button lets you undo your last action. You can select the drop-down arrow to access the Redo button, which will reapply the last action you reversed. There are several buttons at the bottom of the HTML editor, including the Spell Check button, Edit HTML Source, which is used to view and edit the HTML code that's used to create your content. Preview button allows you to preview your content and ensure that it displays as expected before you save any changes. Finally, to customize your screen or window, use the Toggle Full Screen button or the Resize window. Certainly a lot of options available to help you in creating an engaging and informative post. While it can be used to communicate updates and reminders, it could also be used to introduce yourself and give students some insight into who you are as a teacher and as a person, to reiterate rules and expectations, provide hints and tips about assessment items or unit progress, or anything else that might make learners feel welcome and enrich their learning experience.